A 169, 264.60. Blacklisted. It's still yours. Why do you earn a 3,501 per month? Apply for government housing subsidy. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. The subsidy can be accessed with any of the following mortgage and non-mortgage options. Accessing First Home Finance Subsidy, unsecured housing loan or home loan from a financial institution in South Africa, the bank's check credit record, First Home Finance with non-mortgage housing loans, pension-backed housing. What is it? You borrow from the bank using your pension or retirement funds as security instead of a deposit. First Home Finance with pension-backed loans, bank's check credit record. Subsidy can be accessed where an applicant has been approved for a mortgage or home loan. First Home Finance with Government Employee Housing Scheme is subject to credit check. First Home Finance with Employer Assisted Housing Scheme, subject to employer requirements. First Home Finance with community-based schemes, for example, Stokvel, savings clubs, housing loans, no credit check. First Home Finance with own resources savings, no credit checks. Permission to occupy in rural areas as well, no credit requirement. Can be accessed with permission to occupy, PTO issued by a recognized government traditional authority. Installment sale agreement must be registered in the deeds office to qualify. Applicable when the applicant exercises option to buy. Subsidy only, no credit required. Subsidy can be used independent of any loan provided it is sufficient to buy or build. All the non-mortgage options do not require credit record, which is exactly what you are looking for. How can you apply? Option 1. Check Government Housing Subsidy Scheme eligibility. Visit hubspolen/fhf.nhfc.co.za. Click Check Eligibility. There's no need to register for this check. Option 2. Pre-approval application. Visit https://fhf.nfc.co.za and register. Who may apply for First Home Finance Subsidy? South African citizen with a valid ID or permanent resident with a valid permit. The applicant must be legally competent to contract and of sound mind. Household includes living with a partner, either married or habitually cohabiting, or living with financial dependents. Financial dependents may include children, grandchildren, parents, grandparents, sisters, or brothers. 18. What First Home Finance can be used for: buy an already built house, whether from a new development or from the secondary market, pay for the building of a house on a stand, which the household applicant already owns, including stands which are part of IRDP projects, and which must be connected to municipal services or off-the-grid sources. Zone for housing. Enrolled with NHBRC. Linked to a building contract with an NHBRC registered contractor. Buy or build a house on a stand that is owned by or vested with the government or a government-recognized traditional authority, which may or may not be connected to permanent municipal services, which must be attached to a permission to occupy issued by government-recognized traditional authority. Pay for house buying costs such as conveyancing fees, deposit, or NHBRC enrollment fee. Let us summarize. In Part 1, we covered what First Home Finance is, the qualifying criteria and documents checklist. Part 2 covers the different mortgage options, who may apply, and what First Home Finance can be used for. Prepare all your documents now for application when the portal opens 2026-2027 window. Subscribe to Property 101 now. Part 3 coming soon. See you in the next video.